I know everyone's gonna be like, that's so bad, you shouldn't do that. I know.
Don't do that.
I know, but. Umikal on Snapchat says, thanks so much for answering my last question. I highly enjoy and value your content. What is your opinion on energy drinks? How many in a day is too much? So bro, you're asking how many energy drinks in a day, as in like multiple?
That means you're already drinking too many.
Okay, to answer your first question, what is your opinion on energy drinks? I actually like energy drinks, but I don't drink them all the time. It's
certainly not more than one in a day,
yeah,
right?
like,
you ever had more than one a day?
Yes.
Maybe once?
I'm going to throw it out there to you guys because I am 100% real with you. Sometimes when I'm out drinking with my buddies,
oh yeah, you've had.
I like to mix an energy drink with Grey Goose. I know everyone's going to be like, that's so bad, you shouldn't do that. I know.
Don't do that.
I know. But sometimes when you're with your homies, you just got to, because honestly, like the reason I do it is because I need to stay awake. Honestly,
if you're such an old man.
Yeah, like if my buddies are like, yeah, we're going out, and they're like, okay, what time are we meeting? Or like 11 o'clock. I'm like, damn, dude, I'm already asleep for 2 hours by then. So it's because. All right, so the battery just died. Man, this episode is like the episode from HE Double Hockey Sticks. That's hell for all you people out there who can't spell.
Canadian of you.
Is that Canadian?
Yeah, I guess so.
I think I first learned that word on Full House, so it's not a Canadian thing. But to get back to where we were, I think we were talking about energy drinks, and I was telling you the story about me staying awake at night. So I actually like energy drinks, not from a health perspective. It's one of my things that bad things that I do. Like,
because
I'm not perfect.
We do like some things that aren't healthy.
Like I'm not trying to be perfect. So energy drinks, I have them once in a while, but bro, like multiple times a day, no.
No, just don't.
I love caffeine. If I want to feel like off the wall, just bouncing, like I'll go grab one.
What do you think if a person doesn't drink coffee? Do you think then one like Red Bull a day?
I wouldn't. Damn, Red Bull is gross too.
At least coffee is more natural.
Well, coffee is antioxidants and everything else. So to answer your question, man, if you're drinking multiple a day, cut back. And it's going to be tough on you because those things are addictive.
Yes. And
so if you're having, let's just say this, if you're having 2 a day for the first week, have 2 a day for 6 days of those 7. Then for the next week, 2 a day for 5 days of those 7. Cut back slowly like that. So what's he
supposed to do on the 2 days when he's like,
he still has one energy drink in him.
Yeah.
He's good. Bro, you're good.
I wonder what would happen. Would you just sleep all day if you had none?
No, but you still have one in you, so it's not that big of a deal. I'm being very lenient on you, man. We're giving you an energy drink a day. Like, this is good.
How often would you say that you have them? Like once a month?
Once, I can't even remember the last time I had one.
Once a quarter?
Like once a month, once every 3 weeks. It's not very often.
Yeah.
All right, if you're ready to live lean, go get our free 7-day Live Lean Starter Guide. You'll discover the workout and the nutrition secrets to simplify your journey to healthy and sustainable results that last forever. So the Starter Guide includes a 7-day workout schedule comprised of 7 Live Lean workouts focused on fat burning, lean muscle building, athleticism, and mobility. And every workout includes exercise demo videos. You'll also receive a free 7-day Live Lean meal plan, which includes step-by-step cooking videos for every single recipe. So go join thousands of others and get this free instant access to all this, plus our 5 steps to start living lean today. Click the link to sign up for free in the description below. Question of the day. If you drink energy drinks, what is your favorite brand? Share your experiences in the comment section below. Now I want you to go watch this video right over here on the best pre-workout drinks for energy.